Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. My name is Shay. Today I'm doing a reaction video to America's Got Talent AGT Season 21 Auditions. This is Bird and Brian's audition on here. Let's check this out. Here we go.
How are you? What's your name and where are you from?
We are Bird and Byron. I'm Bird and I'm Byron. And we're from Columbus, Ohio.
Columbus, Ohio.
How long have you been doing this together?
We've known each other for over 20 years, but we've been making music together for about 7.
Do you
Okay.
guys have regular jobs when you earn a living from this?
I currently work at a burger restaurant.
Okay.
Yeah, and I restore jukeboxes in my free time.
Oh wow.
Wow.
Who are you here with today?
Stephanie is in the audience. That is Nick's mom.
Nice.
Hi Stephanie. Okay. The stage is yours.
Let's go.
Thank you so much.
Mom works at a burger restaurant and you can tell he's not happy about it. Everyone works, fixes jukeboxes. Mom's ecstatic.
Something's been on my mind.
Whoa, that's whatchamacall. He sounds like whatchamacall. I'm the Bean from Room 5. Never expect to hear that. Let's continue. Wow.
Something I can't explain.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, feeling so deep inside.
Mm-hmm.
Is this love or is it pain? Or sometimes
Nice.
I waste my days waiting around for someone, waiting for someone to say.
Some people in the way in the background, all that stuff. Oh, he's going down on his one knee.
Say, oh,
Nice.
I always be there.
Down to his knees he's singing.
Always be
Never seen that before. Yeah, their lives changed forever after this. That must be the other mom too. She's watching them. Nice. Very nice. Very nice. That was great. That was great. You sing with passion right there.
Now, can I just ask? That seemed extremely personal to you. Can you tell us a little bit about that?
Yeah, we wrote that during a tough period in my life where I was going through some troubles and loneliness, and it's about finding a special someone to always be there for you.
I really
Okay.
felt that.
Yeah.
Harry, what did you think?
I thought that was absolutely beautiful and haunting. It just, it's like you're crying and you're singing, and it's just
In
so
tune
deep.
and perfect pitch.
Yep.
Thank you.
Mhm.
Appreciate it.
Sophia?
That was like the most perfect audition I've seen this season.
Nice. Mhm.
Crazy with you.
Thanks, Sophia.
Mhm.
Simon?
How come we haven't heard of you?
Yeah, true.
I'm not sure, but you have now, so
Yeah.
we'll try for sure. No doubt.
Mhm.
Knocking on those doors and no one answers them, right?
Yes, sir.
I know. Your voice is sensational. And also, the way
They didn't knock it down. They kicked it down. Kicked that door down.
the song as well.
Yeah, it's an
That's our
original.
song, yeah.
Amazing.
Wow.
Okay, that was really good. Well done.
Yes.
I'm going to start this off with your first yes.
There's one.
And that's your second yes.
2 yeses. 3 yeses. 4 yeses. All right. Mom's ecstatic. Oh my God. Hope she's okay. She's really happy with him. He sounded like the from Maroon 5, you know. So, you know, like I said, so, yeah, he went down. Nobody, I don't think I haven't seen anybody go down on their knees before like that. You know, that's surprising. Because he put his song, it was emotion. He put his song to, like, by the tomorrow said he's like crying to one. I feel like he must have went through a very difficult time in his life. So glad he overcame it and sing. And now we get to see him again in the group. So very good stuff. Very good. Looking forward to seeing and hear them again. Anyway, hope you like my reaction. Like, comment, subscribe. Like, say thank you to all my subscribers. Without you, I won't be doing these. So thank you, everybody. Until next time, go check out AGG's channel and hit the subscription as well. Until next time, take care, stay safe, stay humble, and be a blessing.